Have you ever wondered how to make your miniature pop painting in these cool synthwave looking 80s color? Well, I'm gonna attempt that. This is OmniMing. Let's start painting. The subject is going to be a Space Marine Terminator. As you can see, it was primed in Wraithbone. I might need to change that as I'm going to prime it with flat black spray. It will make it easier for me to paint the model and not fight my way painting areas that need dark spots. Now I'm going to be shining some lights, the colorful lights that is, and I'm going to find out where the lights are going to be. So, like this. Okay. Now I'm going to go around and paint some lightings to tell myself where the light is going to go. This can be anywhere. If I make a mistake on the light, it'll be alright as I could correct it later. After all that, time to add some bluish green or turquoise. The blue is added. Now to add the pink side. What I could say about painting this is patience is key. Now before we blend it, we're going to paint the areas solid. So when I mention about patience, yes, this sure takes a lot of time. So the solid parts are done. Now the next area will be the blending part. And the best way to blend it is to stipple glaze it. So what does that mean? Usually when we paint, we will be stroking the paintbrush like so. But for stippling, we apply tiny dots until the colors blend into one. So what I did for my side is that I would hardly be washing the paintbrush. If I need to change the color, I'm to blend the bright color and paint it on one side. The video can just be me painting and doing the same thing over and over again. But yeah, that's the reason why I say patience. What I can say is that the challenge is giving the pink and blue lighting correct. At times I do forget there are some pink lighting areas and I overdid the bluish green area. Now to do the base, I'm gonna try something. So I'm gonna remove him out of here and leaving it here. And I'm gonna draw some grids. Now I think the basing can be done in that grid look. So first, we plan where the coloring is going to go to. I'm gonna cheat with some markers. Acrylic markers that is. So now I'm just layering it with the pink color. Here it is, my attempt in painting the synthwave 80s style. Sure is challenging, but I do like the outcome of it. Have you painted a synthwave style before? Let us know via the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more miniature model painting topics like this. This is OmniMing saying thank you everybody. Take care now, bye bye. This video is brought to you by Underground Hobby Shop. Go to Lazada, type Underground Hobby Shop for all your Warhammer and miniature needs.